What's happening YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to turn off and turn on the proxy. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Let me briefly explain you what is a proxy server. Basically proxy, okay, the proxy is a gateway between you and the internet. Very simply. So there's a hard explanation behind, but I'm not going to go too in depth. So basically proxy will help you to save your privacy and for the company saving their bandwidth and to filter the bad requests and good requests, etc. Okay, so okay, let's start how to do that one. So basically there's 2-3 ways. So I'm going to show you from the Google Chrome and from the Internet Explorer as well, and Edge also, basically the Internet Explorer. So whenever you try to open the Edge, for example, if you go to here, and to get more video, please like and subscribe. Settings, so you from here you have to go view advanced settings. 1 second. No, should be advanced, should be here we go, open proxy setting. So this is the way to do for the Edge. Okay, so basically let me go from beginning. Okay, step by step. Internet Explorer, you have to go search internet option. This is a shortcut, or else you can go some other way, directly go to Internet Explorer and go to settings the way I show you, the same way. So here you have to go 5th step, connections, okay, and LAN settings. So basically if the proxy server on, you will see something like that, it's tick. So in this case I have, for the demonstration purpose, I make the fake proxy server and its ports. So okay, now how you turn off, basically you have to turn off this one. You have to untick this, the tick under the proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN, blah blah blah, and click OK. Done. Okay, it's turn it off. Now let me go to the Google Chrome and show you how to turn off the proxy. Prior to that one, let me turn on the proxy again. Okay, here go to Google Chrome. Okay, then go to settings. You have to click on this 3 dot which is right side at the top of the corner, settings. If you go way down, you have to go advanced. Here you go, under the system you will see open your computer proxy settings. Click on that and it will goes to the same page where we were just click for the Edge, remember? Okay, that's all, and you have to untick this one, use proxy server, and that's all. So that's it guys. I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.